Imagine never having to troubleshoot "it works on my machine" ever again. Let's unravel how Docker lets you seamlessly run GitHub or your project code. Regardless of your OS or existing setup, it's like packaging your project and all it needs into a neat container. Docker uses containers. This isolates your project, its dependencies, and everything else, preventing conflicts. Your application will work consistently because the environment is always the same. To get started, you need a Dockerfile. Think of it as your project's blueprint. Specify what image to base your project on. Install dependencies, copy your code, and how to run your specific setup. Then, use Docker build, which creates an image from your Dockerfile. This is akin to creating a snapshot of everything inside your container. Run your container using Docker Run. This starts your application using the settings configure in your image. Now, watch your GitHub project execute. You can containerize GitHub projects effortlessly, improving development and deployment. Done. You've successfully run a GitHub project using Docker.